In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website private. Whether you're conducting some maintenance, making extensive updates, or simply want some privacy for your website. Knowing how to unpublish your site on Wix is essential. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Wix homepage. This is where your website dashboard resides, and from here, you can access all the critical features that Wix offers. Once on the homepage, the next step is to locate the Settings option. You'll usually find this in the sidebar. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a page where all the configurations related to your site are available. This section is particularly important because it houses all the tools you need to manage your website's various aspects, from domain settings to language preferences and beyond. After you're in the settings, the following action is to click on Website Settings. This section directly pertains to the main control aspects of your website's visibility and operational status. It's crucial here to ensure you are on the correct site settings if you are managing multiple sites, as you wouldn't want to make adjustments to the wrong website by mistake. Next, you'll want to find and click the Unpublish button. By clicking this, you're essentially taking a significant step in making your site private. When you unpublish, your website and its content will no longer be live, meaning it won't be accessible to search engines or anyone trying to view your site by entering its URL. This option is great for when you're making sweeping changes that you don't want visitors to see just yet, or if your site is not yet ready for public consumption. Finally, you will need to confirm the request by clicking Unpublish once more. Confirming this action is like flipping a switch. It ensures that you didn't accidentally click the option without meaning it. Keep in mind that unpublishing your website is completely reversible. At any time, you could decide to make your website live again simply by republishing it. Bear in mind, if you continuously find the need to unpublish and republish, consider whether there are smaller changes or preview options available within Wix that may suit your purposes without taking your site down entirely. Overall, managing your website's privacy through the unpublishing process gives you flexibility and control over when your audience can view your content. This simple yet powerful tool is essential in the array of features Wix provides for website creation and management.